Your top priority is providing flawless global customer experiences. You likely spend time and money reviewing your translator's performance and evaluating translation quality. But what if this process could be automated, freeing up your time and resources while also getting more value out of your LQA budget? ContentQuo Plan is here to help. Start by connecting ContentQuo to the translation management system of your choice to let it orchestrate your language quality program. Create your first quality evaluation plan. You can even automate multiple quality programs by creating as many different plans as you need. Select which tool will be used for LQA in this plan, either ContentQuo Evaluate or the built-in LQA features of your TMS. Choose how often to run your regular LQA. Have a daily cadence, a monthly cycle, or want to run your plan every hour. Set it up once, and you'll never have to start quality evaluations manually again. Select which translations will be in the scope and be as granular as you need. For example, configure a plan for marketing content in all languages except Japanese. Maximize the impact of your LQA investment with risk modeling that prioritizes translation jobs based on your preferred criteria. For example, prioritize jobs done by translators with poor quality scores, jobs with too little time allocated for translation, and many more, or even all of them at once. Finally, specify how much budget you want to allocate. You might want to review 20% of all new translations, or spend €10,000 per month. ContentQuo Plan will make sure you never exceed this limit. Let ContentQuo Plan be your localization team's tireless quality management assistant. It handles project management tasks, allowing you to focus on making strategic decisions. Enjoy watching your quality evaluation programs run on autopilot. Visit ContentQuo.com to learn more and schedule your one-to-one demo.